Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Tomorrow and Saturday are busy days in Louisville. It's Kentucky Oaks and Kentucky Derby. For the occasion, I couldn't resist to showcase one of their signature drinks, and it's Oaks Lily Cocktail. Incredibly refreshing, this is a tasty drink to enjoy anytime. And if you host a party for one of those events, this is sure to win the prize. So my friends, let's get mixing.
In a glass of a Boston shaker, we'll add ice cubes, lots of them, before pouring in vodka, followed by orange liqueur. Then we'll add cranberry juice, simple syrup, which you can easily make at home by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and lastly, freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll place a metal tumbler on top, secure it, and shake it vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. We'll place a strainer on and pour the mix into a rock glass that has a couple of ice cubes in it. We'll garnish with a lemon wheel, or if you can find any during this time of year, blackberries. And my friends, this is our Kentucky Oaks Lily Cocktail. Besides a few other well-known drinks served during the events, this one is totally a must-try. With vodka and orange liqueur, along with a few more ingredients, this refreshing cocktail is sure to please you and your guests. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!